Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to draw a realistic face. Firstly, start with a simple oval or egg shape for the head. Lightly draw vertical and horizontal lines to the mark of the center. The vertical line divides the face in half and helps align the features symmetrically. The horizontal line marks the eye level. Next, divide the face into horizontal sections like eye line, nose line, and mouth line, about halfway between the nose and chin. Now, draw two almond-shaped outlines of the eyes to the eye line, with the inner corner slightly angled downward. Remember that the distance between the eyes is about the width of one eye. Add some small circles within each eye of the pupils and add light shading or a reflection spot to give them a realistic appearance. Now, start with a rough triangle shape at the nose line. The width of the nose generally aligns with the inner corners of the eyes. Then draw nostrils and lightly outline the sides to give it dimension. For the mouth, start by drawing a small line or curve on the mouth line to indicate where the lips meet. The width of the mouth generally lines up with the center of each eye. Draw the top and the bottom lips by creating gentle curves around the initial line, shaping them accordingly to your character's expressions. Now, draw the eyebrows above the eyes. The eyebrows generally start aligned with the inner corner of the eye and extend to the outer edge. Just place the ears between the eye line and the nose line slightly angled if needed. Now draw the hairline starting slightly above the top of the head. Lightly shade areas under the eyes, nose, lips, and chin for depth, and add shading around the jawline, forehead, and cheekbones depending on the light source. Once you're happy with the proportions and details, erase the guidelines and get over with the lines you want to keep. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.